I will show you how to get the best protection out of your hard hat. Fresh suspension can make all the difference. Let's replace it together. First, remove the old suspension. Pinch the clips at the 4 attachment points and gently pull them out. Easy, right? Now grab the new suspension system set. Start by inserting the clips into the 4 slots inside the hard hat. Push until you hear that satisfying click. That means it's locked in place. Next, adjust the suspension. Turn the ratchet knob at the back to tighten or loosen until it fits snugly on your head. Comfort is key. Finally, give it a quick inspection. Make sure all clips are secure and the suspension sits properly. Safety first, remember, and there you have it. A brand new suspension for your lift safety HDF-18RS DAX hard hat. Now get back out there and stay safe. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips. Catch you next time.